Good morning, children. You must be thinking, what is good about this morning? So, let us see our today's thought and you will come to know what is good. Every day may not be a good. So, it is not necessary that every day would be a good day. But there is something good in every day. So, at any moment of the time there is something good in each and every day, so we have to find that good thing in that day and we should thank god for such good thing in our life. So this is our today's thought. Let us start our today's topic. Children, today we will see about describing word. Now what do you mean by describing word? Let us see. So describing words, they are also called as adjectives. What they are called as? Describing words are called as adjectives. Now you will feel what is adjective or what are describing words. So the words that tells or describes what, which words? The words that tells or describes about a person, place, animal, and thing. These words are called as adjectives. What these are called as? Adjectives. Now let's see again. Words used to describe. Now words what they describes? They describes the quality. What they describes? Quality, color, size, shape, and number of a noun. Noun. Do you remember what is noun? We have already learned. Noun is a name of person, place, or thing. So, the word used to describe the quality, color, size, shape, number of a noun is called as adjective. Now, we will understand this concept with the help of example. Now, I am showing you some pictures and you have to tell me what are they. One by one I am showing few pictures and you have to tell me. Now, what is the first picture? Yes, correct. That is Bhim. The next picture is of house. Yes, correct. Then the next picture is, it is a ball. Then the next is a parrot. Then flowers. All these words are noun. They are telling about a person, place, animal, thing. So all these words are noun. Now can you tell something more about these words? Can you? Let's see. Bhim. We know that Bhim is very, how is Bhim? He is very smart. So can we say smart Bhim? Yes. Now how is this house? This house is a big. So we can say big house. Now how is this ball? It is a round ball, or you can say colorful ball. Okay, we can say that also. Now how is the parrot? Parrot is green. Now what else you can tell about the flowers? You can tell the color, yellow flowers, or you can tell 5 flowers. So all these words, smart, big, round, green, and 5, all these words, they are telling something about the noun. Which noun? The word smart tells about the noun Bhim. Then the word big tells about the word house. The word round tells about the word ball or noun ball. Then the word green tells about the noun parrot, and the word 5 tells about the noun flower. So all these words, smart, big, round, green, and 5, all these words are called adjectives. So the words, they tell something about noun, something more about noun, they are called as adjectives. We will again see this concept with the help of this table. Can you see this table? Yes. We have taken the same examples. The first is smart Bhim. Here the word Bhim is noun, and the word smart, it describes the quality of Bhim. How is Bhim? Smart. So the word smart is the adjective. Big house. The word house is a noun, and the word big, this big tells or describes about the size of the house. How is the size? How is the house? It is big. So big is the adjective. Round ball. Round describes the shape of the ball. So the word round is the adjective. Then green parrot. The green word tells about the or describes about the color of the noun. So the word green is the adjective. Then word 5 describes the number of the noun, that is flower. So the word 5 is adjective. So the word that describes the quality, size, shape, color and number, these words are called adjectives. Children, I hope this much is clear to you. Yes. Now let's see. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sounds like. We will understand this concept with the help of the example. Let's see one by one. Can you see what is written? Beautiful princess. Here, the word beautiful describes the look of the princess. How she is looking? It describes the look of the princess. So, the word beautiful is an adjective. Sweet mango. Here, the word sweet describes the taste of the mango. How is mango? We are talking about the taste of the mango. So, the word sweet is an adjective. Soft pillow. Here, the word soft describes the feel of the pillow. How it feels. Whether it is hard, whether it is soft. So, it describes the feel of the pillow. So, the word soft is an adjective. Loud music. Loud describes the sound of the music. How is the sound of the music? It is very loud. So, the word loud is an adjective. Children, I hope you have understood what is adjective. Adjective is simply the word that tells something about the noun. It may be its quality, it may be its size, it may be its number, it may be its shape, then it may be its look, it may talk about its taste, it may talk about its feel, it may talk about sound. So whatever information the word gives about the noun, that word is called adjective. Now we will see the one short exercise. Okay, children? So this is our exercise. So what we have to do? Underline the adjective in the sentence below. Can you see the first sentence? Rahul is a clever boy. So which is the noun here? Here is noun is Rahul and boy. Children, there is a hint. To find an adjective, we have to ask the question how. So how is Rahul? So the answer is clever. Yes, correct. So the adjective is clever. Now next sentence. Narayan wants a red kite. Here which is the noun? Narayan and kite. So Here we will ask, what is the color of the kite or how is the kite? So we will get the answer. How is the kite? It is red. Correct. So the adjective is red. Now then, the next is, the little child went to sleep. So which is the noun over here? Here we are talking about the child. So how is the child? The child is little. Correct. It is an adjective. Keep your dirty shoes away. So which is the noun here? Shoes. So how are the shoes? Shoes are, yes, dirty. So dirty is an adjective. Arya has a blue and yellow bag. So here the nouns are Arya and bag. So here we are describing about the bag. So how is the bag? So the bag is blue and yellow. So both the word blue and yellow are the adjectives. So children, you will solve this exercise in your English copy. This is for your homework. I hope you have understood the concept. We will see few more exercises on that. Till then, thank you and stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.